Okay, what we've got here is we've got a 2012 Jeep Liberty. What I'm going to try to do here is I'm going to flush out the heater core, because these vehicles right here are notoriously bad for the heater core. Will plug up over the summer months with that stuff that they call antifreeze. These come with like an orange antifreeze, and it's bad for plugging these heater cores. So I'm going to unplug this heater core and show you how I do it. All right, the first thing to do here is you have to remove these clamps. So you've got two sets of hose clamps here, and they're just clamps. See if I can get this loose. All right, there's one. And we pop this other one loose here. All right, pull these hoses off. And now I'll show you what I do next. And this is what I use to clear out that heater core. I use a sprayer end nozzle that you can control right here. It's real cheap. You can get them at Harbor Freight. And I'm going to use a piece of heater hose. And I just put that up in there, and you blow it right on through. So that's what I'm going to use to clean out this heater core. The other end of that hose right onto that heater core. Now flush it right out. I put it on the other end of it, or other side, and I'll bring it back through it. Flush that all out, and it's all cleared out now. I can put it back together. All right, put the other side back on. All right, let's start it up and see if we have a heater. This was completely cold before I started, and now it's blowing good hot air. So it's something that we have to do once a year. So anyway, if you like that little video, then like, comment, subscribe. I'll continue to bring more content in the future as available. And as always, everybody, God bless.